What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is InTrader and today we're gonna talk about Bonk. We're gonna talk about Bonk again because I can see some positive things on the chart. We're gonna go deep into technical analysis, price prediction. We're gonna go into CoinGecko and see what's the situation looking like there. As you can see here, I nearly nailed the prediction from that bottom here because I told you guys those were really two levels that I would be interested in buying Bonk, and from the bottom to the top we grew over 200%. And you're probably asking, okay, what's next? We made that move, we made that trade, we made that profit. How we can play this out again after this move? And we're going to talk about it in this video, so stay tuned. But first of all, this is not financial advice. A little disclaimer, this is only my personal opinion on the market based on 8 years of experience. So I'm just going to tell you how I see things, how things are looking for me with my eyes, and you will be able to make your own decision based on your own research. Alright, before we start, make sure you click that subscribe button, like the video if you like my content, and leave a comment down below. You can help me reach 1,000 subscribers and I would really appreciate that. Thank you so much. So first of all, let's just go to CoinGecko and take a look what's happening there. So Bonk is currently, as we can see here, at number 62, which is pretty high. And we've been like on a 27% discount since the last 2 weeks, 16% since 7 days. We've been down 2% for the last 24 hours. And it's looking good. It's looking like a discount, and it's looking like an opportunity to accumulate more Bonk. And let's talk about that later. Market cap, $1.8 billion. It's pretty high, but like still a lot of opportunity. And you're probably thinking how far we can go. Can we 10x? This is a question I'm getting a lot. Can we 10x the price? So it's pretty simple to to check because when we look at the market cap, we just have to go to CoinGecko. Let's find Bonk on this ranking, and it's gonna be probably 62. Yeah, here we go. 1.8 billion. So we would have to go to 18 billion, something like that, or 20 billion in the market cap, and that would put us roughly number 10. We would replace Toncoin here, which is pretty big. We would have to pass Cardano, Shiba Inu, Chainlink, Polkadot, really good Uniswap, Polygon, really good projects, Pepe. So you're asking me if 10x is possible. If the whole market's going to double or triple, absolutely yes, it's possible. Of course in an altcoin market, but we're going to talk about it later. However, the lower, what you have to understand that 10x from this point would be 20x or 30x if you catch the price here or there. So the key into getting 10x, 20x, and 40x is how low you can catch the price. If you catch the price at the lowest levels that I gave you here, then doing 10x is actually really easy. But if you're getting it here, because look, from those moments right here, there we have already 200%. So we already have 2x. So if we go 10x from here, that's actually already 30x, okay? If you got in here. So you should focus more on getting those bottoms, buying those dips, and this is the most important thing. So when should we find another dip? Right here we have Fibonacci levels that I presented for you, and I gave you the level here to 3.6. That was perfectly, it was actually broken here, and we went all the way down to that level. We actually touched a little bit below, but the closures were around this level, which is great. And if you listened to my videos previously, you would have nailed that trade perfectly. So now the Fibonacci level from the very bottom to the very top gives us those levels right here, and 236 would stay right here. So that would be the lowest. From that point, I would look at that level as the lowest one in a bull market. This level would be looking good as a absolute black swan event or something. Another level is here. We actually topped it right now, but I think there is a possibility that we can actually retest that level. So if we ever go into this order box, that's going to be a great opportunity, good opportunity for you to accumulate a little bit, like not everything, because what may happen, and I told you guys, we can do something like this, or we can easily do something like that, bounce back and break it and just go to the next level before taking off again. Or we can go down, break it, retest, go down, break it again, and just go deep into that level and then bounce. So the lower we get, the more percentage you will get on the upward movement, because from here to the local top, that's 58%. If you catch the price here to the local bottom, top would be 82%, okay, here. But if you're going to be able to catch the price here to this top, it would be 137%, which is huge. But if we go to the lowest point, for example here, that wick, if we retest that level and we go all the way only to the nearest local top, that's 260%. So you see, guys, that the lower you get it, the more profit you can easily get. So those are my levels. However, we can do something else. We can do something different and just remove this Fibonacci retracement level for a moment. And we can put another levels from that movement, from that local movement, which works great too. And as you can see here, look how perfectly we tapped that 382 Fibonacci retracement level and 0.5. So those would be the levels I would be looking for in that movement, and the lowest right here, 236. So that's how you can use Fibonacci retracement levels on the chart. I hope you liked it. Let's now move into Fear and Greed Index, which is still 72. We're still really high. Let's just check the max. You see here, we've been growing for a long time, and I want to see it. We haven't seen extreme fear for a long time, and if we do see it, it's going to be a great opportunity for you to purchase. And another indicator is altcoin season, Bitcoin season, and I told you guys that numerous times. We're actually going towards Bitcoin season, which is a great opportunity to accumulate altcoins. Okay, Bitcoin is getting stronger in the market, and when Bitcoin is getting stronger in the market, it's better to accumulate altcoins. I know it sounds weird, but this is how it is. So you want to go from something overvalued to something undervalued. And when there's a Bitcoin season, altcoins are undervalued, and you go towards that direction. And then you move. And as we go on this chart towards, like here, for example, going up to altcoin season, then you're selling your altcoins into Bitcoin. And we can actually see it on the Bitcoin dominance chart right here, that we've been, let's just check the weekly. Yeah, we've been growing for a long time. And look at that movement from the very bottom right here. We've been growing, and looks like we're not stopping. So you see this empty space all over here. You see this empty space? It has a lot of potential. When that happens and you purchase your altcoins here, and that happens, and we go even lower here, you can go from like 1 Bitcoin into like 5 Bitcoins over here. So keep that in mind, that like the higher we go on a Bitcoin dominance chart, the better it's for you to accumulate more and more altcoins. And here, I told you guys where we formed this like falling wedge, and I was predicting this to actually break up, and when we break it, we're gonna have another leg up, maybe two. It's my prediction that we're gonna have either one leg up or maximum two. We had one over here, which was a great opportunity to accumulate altcoins and even make huge profits in that little movement, because as we went down here, your altcoins made you a lot of profit in terms of Bitcoin valuation, right? I hope you get it. So those little movements, like from here to down, are great movements to grow your Bitcoin. So if we go up here again and then correct down, it's gonna be another movement, another opportunity for you to accumulate altcoins and then take profits into BTC. But we're gonna talk about it in this video and on this channel. So make sure you click subscribe, like this video, make a comment. That's how you can help me grow my channel. You know, guys, like if you appreciate my content, like please subscribe, leave a comment and like the video. 3 things you can do in like 3 seconds, and it's gonna help me a lot. All right, if we go to this like order box right here that I presented to you, that's the best opportunity ever to buy altcoins. Are we gonna get there? I don't know, but this is, for me, this is the very top for Bitcoin dominance at this point. And but we'll see what happens. So whenever we go on this chart into Bitcoin season, that means that on the Bitcoin dominance chart, we're gonna probably going up. And if you see this chart from like 27 to like all the way down to like 6.5 or here to the lowest points over here, and you see extreme fear, it means like, y'all, you should have a lot of altcoins. You should accumulate altcoins. However, if we are in the altcoin season right here with extreme fear here, just focus on Bitcoin. Accumulate as much Bitcoin and wait till it doubles or triples in value, and then purchase altcoins. You can even purchase way more altcoins. Okay, so yeah, I think that's it for today. Bitcoin is going sideways, as I told you guys. We're in this little channel right here, and we'll decide if we want to break up or we're gonna retest those levels or potentially go and touch maybe those moving averages, and we'll see. If that happens, that's gonna create even more opportunities on Bonk or other altcoins to accumulate more with much better prices. All right, guys, that was a Bonk price prediction technical analysis video. I hope you like it. As I said before, you can send me help. You can help me by clicking subscribe, liking this video, commenting. That's the only thing you can do for me. Everything is free, and I'm gonna talk to you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.